Good afternoon, everyone. Matthew Fullerton here at my brand new listing, 34 Staples Boulevard. This end unit modern townhome is nestled in the highly desirable community of Bellamy Farms in Smiths Falls. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 1-car garage, and a finished basement with high ceilings, perfect for a rec room or a cozy family room. I'm going to take you for a quick tour. However, should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at 343-988-8995. Thank you so much, and let's check this place out.